A single dewdrop can reveal an entire universe teeming with life, yet most eyes pass it by. Capturing these hidden spectacles demands an almost impossible blend of technology, patience, and sheer luck. The realm of close-up nature photography brings us face to face with creatures smaller than your fingernail. These miniature ecosystems hum with drama, hunting, and survival, completely invisible to casual observation. Dedicated artists and scientists spend countless hours unveiling these fleeting moments for the wider world. Their painstaking work requires specialized equipment capable of magnifying microscopic details to immense scale. Understanding this hidden world offers profound insights into biodiversity and the delicate balance of life. You'll discover the extraordinary techniques and immense dedication behind those breathtaking, intimate images. It's a journey into both the natural world and the human ingenuity, striving to document its secrets. Prepare to witness the meticulous craft required to transform the minuscule into the magnificent. First, the quest begins in dense foliage or alongside a trickling stream, seeking tiny subjects. Photographers often spend hours scouting, observing patterns, and identifying potential insect or spider havens. A crucial piece of equipment is the macro lens, designed to achieve extreme magnification ratios of 1:1 or greater. This specialized glass allows the camera to focus mere millimeters from the subject, revealing intricate textures. Achieving sharp focus at such close proximity presents an enormous challenge due to incredibly shallow depth of field. But precisely locking onto a moving insect in these conditions feels almost impossible. To overcome this, many employ a technique called focus stacking, capturing dozens of images at different focal planes. These individual frames are later merged in software, creating one perfectly sharp, composite masterpiece. Lighting is another critical element. Natural light rarely penetrates dense undergrowth sufficiently for tiny subjects. Specialized diffusers and powerful ring flashes meticulously illuminate subjects without startling them away. Positioning these lights requires immense dexterity, often involving flexible arms and tiny stands in awkward spaces. Imagine painstakingly arranging miniature studio lights around a beetle smaller than a rice grain. Yet even with perfect focus and lighting, the unpredictable behavior of wildlife remains the ultimate hurdle. Hours can pass in absolute stillness, waiting for a spider to emerge or a butterfly to unfurl its wings. Photographers learn to anticipate insect movements, predicting their next step with uncanny precision. They often develop an almost telepathic connection with their subjects, understanding their rhythms and habits. Sometimes, the ideal shot requires capturing a specific behavior, like a wasp meticulously cleaning its antennae. This demands extreme patience, often returning to the same spot day after day, hoping for the perfect alignment. Wind becomes an invisible enemy, causing minute vibrations that blur even the steadiest macro shot. Tiny breezes transform a perfectly still scene into a frustratingly shaky, impossible photographic challenge. And then, after hours of preparation, the subject might simply vanish without a trace. Weather conditions, from sudden rain showers to extreme heat, constantly threaten equipment and comfort. Specialized remote triggers and motion sensors are sometimes deployed to capture shy or nocturnal creatures automatically. Innovators continually develop new techniques, like using high-speed video to freeze incredibly fast insect actions. Some even design custom rail systems for precise camera movements, allowing for intricate, cinematic tracking shots. This continuous adaptation highlights the dedication to push boundaries in documenting the unseen world. Each stunning image represents a triumph over countless environmental and technical obstacles faced in the field. The perseverance required for a single perfect frame is truly a testament to passion for these tiny wonders. But the most profound discoveries often emerge from the unexpected, challenging every preconceived notion. Sometimes, a photographer discovers a never-before-documented behavior, offering critical scientific insights. These serendipitous moments often arise from simply observing with an open mind, not just a lens. Such discoveries underscore the value of extensive field time, allowing nature to reveal its deepest secrets. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest filled with biological marvels, right beneath your very nose. The journey of discovery is as captivating as the final image itself, constantly evolving with new revelations. Every detailed photograph tells a story, not just of the insect, but of the arduous human effort behind it. This meticulous process reveals a universe of intricate life, one painstaking frame at a time. This dedication provides scientists with invaluable data, documenting species and behaviors previously unknown. High-resolution macro images help identify new species, track ecological changes, and understand complex interactions. These intimate portraits foster a deeper connection with the natural world, reminding us of its immense diversity. They inspire awe and wonder, transforming our perception of seemingly insignificant creatures around us. By showcasing the beauty of the minuscule, these images advocate powerfully for vital insect conservation efforts. Many crucial pollinators and decomposers face threats, indispensable roles. Viewing these close-ups can shift your perspective. Indispensable roles, urging protection for ecosystems often overlooked due to their small-scale, intricate life beneath your feet. Encourages a macro photography sense of highlights their stewardship. Indispensable roles, urging protection for ecosystems often overlooked due to their small scale. The impact extends beyond science, influencing art and design with its rich textures and vibrant, hidden palettes. These visual narratives underscore the interconnectedness of all life, even the tiniest organisms playing huge roles. Ultimately, macro photography bridges the gap between our human scale and the astonishing complexity of the micro world. It reveals that beauty and profound significance exist everywhere, if only we take the time to truly look closer. The hidden wonders of the micro world are perpetually unfolding, waiting for patient eyes and dedicated lenses. Subscribe for more incredible explorations into the unseen, and tell us which macro marvel fascinates you most. Join our journey of discovery, celebrating the tireless effort behind every breathtaking glimpse into nature's intimacy.